guys? This is Abraham here, student of Eric Ellis. I've been following Eric for around 6 months now, ever since I was 15. And basically I'm 16 right now, and we've been talking in the Instagram DMs, and he's basically asked me to show you guys, right, a live case study on how I've been able to generate these Clickbank commissions leveraging just my free Instagram account, right? And I just want to show you guys how you guys too can also get started and get sales, like how I'm getting sales right here. And like before I get into it, I'm just gonna refresh the page to show you guys, right? This is like real, right? This is legit. Like, this is not Inspect Element, anything of that sort. These are my commissions right here. And so like now that that's out the way, I'm just gonna show you guys. I'm not gonna show you guys my actual Instagram accounts, right? Because there are people out there who just swipe people's like ad copy and stuff like that. And I don't want none of you guys, right, saturating, a certain niche with my ad copy, right? But basically, I'm just gonna show you guys what it is you can do. So basically, right, I just have an Instagram account pulled up right here, right? And they just do something similar to what I'm doing. And so basically, they act as an authority in their niche, right? They create an Instagram account that is tied to a certain niche, right? Or a certain theme, right? In this case, this is like, numerology, right? It ties in with spirituality and manifestation, stuff like that, right? And what they do is they just post stuff, related to the law of attraction, right? Manifestation. And all they do in their captions is they basically drive traffic to their link in the bio. And what their link in their bio would basically be your guys' affiliate links right here. So you see how it says, hey, do you see the same repeating numbers and patterns everywhere you look? Click the link in the bio to discover the answers you seek. All they're doing, you guys are just creating an Instagram account and basically just driving traffic right here, right? So this right here, the numerology readings, this is a Clickbank product, and you guys don't only have to, promote something in the numerology niche. There's like many more niches out there, right? I like to stay in the spirituality and mindset niche because that's the stuff I'm interested in. If you're interested in health and fitness, there are Clickbank products, related to health and fitness that you can promote. So I'm just gonna show you guys other accounts who do exactly what I'm doing, right? And this is actually the product I'm promoting, by the way, is Overnight Millionaire. And let me just show you the product real quick, right? So I'm just gonna search an Overnight Millionaire. It's by Wesley Virgin right here, Wesley $1 billion Virgin. And I'm just gonna show you guys what the product looks like, right? So you guys see right here, the product is just a video sales letter, right? And, it sells to the audience, right? And then if they decide to buy, basically you just get commissions, right? So if you get 3 sales a day, you already are up $100. I believe every time you get a sale, it's around $29, right? So imagine that. 3 sales a day, that's $90, right? Almost $100. If you get 4 sales a day, that's above $100. And that's basically all you need just to get, at least $100 a day, right? And so basically what I'm doing, this is not on my account, but this is just an account like it, right? They're just posting, stuff related to what their audience likes. They post stuff related to the law of attraction, spirituality, and they basically just drive traffic, telling people to click the link in their bio. All right, so basically right here, they basically have their ad copy, right? Their copy, which, it's just basically copywriting, right? It's just selling through text, right? It's just getting the buyer, not really a buyer, but, the follower, right? It's just to click the link in their bio. So it's basically, hey, learn how to manifest anything, whether it's wealth, a new job, business, etc., right? And so if they're interested, if the follower is interested, what they do is click the link right here. They click the link and it takes them to the same website I showed you earlier, the same product, right? And this guy's probably getting commissions just like me, right? Because he just has that large audience, right? And basically drives traffic to click the link in his bio. And if you guys want, you guys could have a landing page, but this guy here, what he's doing is direct linking. And if you want to get started, basically what you guys would do is you guys would go, whatever the product you're promoting is, you just search it up. So if you want to do Overnight Millionaire, I highly stand behind it. It's like a great product, converts well. You guys saw my sales. So all you guys would do is you guys would click the promote button, right? And then that's my affiliate ID. And you basically, whatever your affiliate ID is, it would just be right here. And you click on generate hop links. This is going to be your link, right? And if anyone buys through this link, basically you're going to get a sale, right, in your dashboard, just like how I've got my sales. And so basically, instead of, driving people to this, ugly link right here, what you're going to do, like how this person has done, and like how I have done as well, right? That's what I did, is you go to, a site like Tiny URL or Bitly or Smart URL, any of those link shorteners, just to make, the link tiny, like as it says right here, right? So I'm just going to paste the link right there, click on make tiny URL. And all you guys would do is you just take this link and just put this into your bio. So what you guys are doing is, again, you guys are just being the authority in your niche, right? And basically making posts related to what your audience likes. And then every once in a while, you might be driving traffic to the product. And when you do that, you basically get sales. If the follower decides to buy, the sale goes right into your Clickbank dashboard.